I'll go now. Dean and I launched out with all our gear, floating heavy in the water, so we took our time paddling. After a while, we found a place that looked great. We made our way to shore and started hauling our gear to the campsite. Dean made quick work of his hammock system while I scouted the campsite area. I had a brand new, never out of the bag hammock that I had to do some figuring on for my setup. After some time, the third member of our group paddled into the site fully loaded with gear.
Hi, Dean.
Well, it isn't the bringer.
Don't tip me over.
I am. It's the first thing I'm going to do. That'll work. It's fine.
All right. I don't think I'll tip now. I need that back. I told you this is my old man.
There you go. I like it.
It works. It works pretty good.
You may have seen him in some of my videos. Carolina Chris Outdoors. Check out his channel. There you go. Take a look in there. See if there's anything there you can use.
Oh, is this a gift?
It is.
Okay, it's in a box.
World's smallest lighter. He's got one, I got one, now you got one.
This is almost cheating. This is cool right here. How long will that last in there? It's not gonna dry out on me, is it? That's fucking awesome.
No, that's the new premium fire disc.
Oh,
Second edition.
That's right.
this is for
And those are the world's best earplugs. So
Oh, well.
you won't hear anything. If you push those in, it just goes quiet and all you hear is your heart beating.
all right, what is this? This is what it says it is?
It is.
Can of worms?
Yep. 10 worms.
10 worms?
You unscrew it.
Oh, okay. There are worms in there. That's
They're not gonna suffocate? You got a hole in there or something?
No, they fine. I've had them in there for weeks and they're too fine. Oh, that's what I was taught all my life. Oh, you got to have air holes for the worms. I boxed them things up and left them for weeks. They were fine.
Really?
Yeah. There's my lighter. There you go. There's your eternal flame. What do me? What do me? Dean started up a bushcraft fire right in the middle of camp. Worked out great. Well, I am going to fix me something to eat because I know you haven't eaten lunch or anything.
Didn't blow it up on you?
No, I'm doing good actually. Yeah, there's the magic sauce.
There you go.
Yeah.
Okay.
He doesn't break his own stuff.
All right, there's the mushrooms and bacon. We'll put a little mushroom juice in there, just for flavor. What? What? And the rest of Chris's water.
Hey man, I like that Coleman. I've never seen one like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Wax popped up on it, and then I went outside and recorded something.
Okay, so we've got a campfire here, and I see Chris is trying to burn his pot up. I'm not sure what that's all about over there.
We got some potatoes going in there.
Let's see what Dean's got. Oh, Dean's ready to go, I think. Is yours ready, Dean?
Oh, of course.
All right, so we got the noodles. We add the bacon and the sauteed mushrooms. Yeah, that's good stuff. There we go. Got some some noodles, teriyaki noodles with bacon and sauteed mushrooms. It's one of my favorite meals. Let's eat.
The best one. I want the one with the freaking 2-inch mattress that folds up in it. And so I Googled that thing on that Facebook.
So Mike, you're rocking no insulation underneath right now?
Exactly.
Feels good.
It's good right now. Thanks to the world's best earplugs, this was not a problem. So please join us next time as we step things up a bit in Eat, Sleep, Snore Part 2. Like and subscribe if you can, and leave a comment. It's a wild world, so get out there, and thanks for watching.